See, if you compare as a captain, obviously Saurav is the better captain than Gautam Gambhir. It's no doubt about that. But Gautam Gambhir is a brilliant player, and KKR is a very good side. If you compare all the sides in IPL this year, I think one of the most balanced side is KKR. When Saurav was with KKR, that time KKR was building the team. See, that time IPL was a new concept. People doesn't know much about T20. They have just started playing T20. Maybe one or two matches has been played all over the world. Then IPL came down, and most of the team, most of the franchise, they were not aware of the players, how they are going to play in IPL. Suppose this player is a good cricketer in a test match, like Ricky Ponting is a very good cricketer, is a fantastic cricketer in a test match. But for IPL, he does not fit in any team. Same applies with Divesh Lakshman. So this kind of thing, first 1 or 2 years, this combination was there. And that time, though Saurav was in a good form, KKR was a good side. But still they didn't click properly, because Chris Gayle, if you see Chris Gayle now and if you see Chris Gayle 4 years back, is a lot of different players. Totally he is concentrating on IPL. He is playing all over world, only this T20. Mentally he is out of test cricket, mentally he is out of 50 overs game. He is mentally only in 20 overs game now. So this Chris Gayle was not the same Chris Gayle 4 years back. So this kind of changes was there, and now the total thing has come down in a shape. That's why you are saying KKR is a very good team now, which was not in 4 years back. Now I don't think Sachin has joined politics. What Sachin has joined, it is just a respect, another what you call landmark in Sachin's career. I don't think Sachin's mentality is such that he won't be able to join politics, because same with Saurav. See, these people, I don't think, I don't know what's going to happen next 10 years. But at present, I don't think they are mentally that shaped to join politics, Indian politics. See, on paper, KKR is a better side. There's no doubt about that. They are more balanced side. But Pune is also very well balanced side, because they have got a lot of all-rounders over there. Saurav cricketing brain is there. They have got Robin Uthappa, Ryder is there. They have got Smith. Smith is a beautiful player, and I think somewhere Pune Warrior is not using him properly. If you consider the yesterday's match against Deccan Chargers, when they have scored 175, I thought Smith should have pushed at number 3. So you give your best batsman to play more balls. There's no point of sending Smith at number 6 when 15 runs you have to chase. It's not possible for anybody. So if he goes at number 3 at that time with more balls, and they would have done much better yesterday. See, 117 is a chaseable target with the wicket they were playing yesterday. So I think that mistake they have done. I think Pune Warrior is a better bowling side. If Dinda is fit, then Pune Warrior is a better bowling. See, batting, you see, there's not much of difference. If you see, they've got Jesse Ryder, they've got Manish Pandey, they've got Saurav, they've got Robin Uthappa, who's a good T20 player, they've got Smith. Marvel Samuel, I don't know, because I think the way he started, now he's somewhere lost. They've got the Sri Lankan, forgot the name, Angela Matthews. He's a very good player. They've got Murali Karthik. He's a very good bowler. In Gardens wicket, he will be very effective. So I think it will be a very good match. If you compare 1:1 batsman, then I think at the present condition, Knight Rider batting is stronger than Pune Warrior. But bowling, Pune Warrior is. See, everybody wants to make money. When we used to play, there was no money. There was no IPL in domestic cricket. There was no money. We used to play with only one goal to play for India, because we know unless we go and play for India, there is no money. But now the scenario has totally changed, and this is the correct scenario, I think, because only 15 players can play for India, but the rest 150 players, what they are going to do? They are playing for domestic cricket. They are getting a lot of money. If you play totally domestic cricket in a year, you are going to earn 30-40 lakhs. And with IPL, though, your life is settled. If you can play 4-5 years IPL with domestic cricket, your life is settled. So I see people are blaming IPL, but I don't blame IPL or this kind of cricket, because see, it's a new format of game. It's a new source of earning money for the youngster. You have to. That's a very important part of life. Like otherwise, how are you going to earn your livelihood? By doing a job, there's a restriction over there. If you are a very good cricketer, you're not getting a proper chance to play for India, or Indian team is jam-packed. You've got every capability of play for India, but you can't play. Then your financial also you have got blocked. But with IPL now, you can make money. See, one cricketer is getting 3-4 crore of rupees if you are playing good in IPL. So it's a good money. No, I should not come. There's no comparison. But I don't know why Bollywood always enter into cricket. Cricket is a different game. It's a game. It's not a show business, and Bollywood is a totally show business. Means Shah Rukh Khan taking a team is nothing harming, or film stars coming outside and watching IPL, sitting in the gallery. It's quite enjoyable because it's more added attraction. But in every function, if you find this Priyanka Chopra and Katrina Kaif and Kareena Kapoor and all these people are dancing, even Sachin is getting felicitated and they are also performing out there. This thing I don't accept. And I don't like this thing. I think they have started really well, but now I think there are something they're losing the control on the grip on IPL. But still they have got 8 matches, and the team they have got, they can do much better. What they are doing for the last 2-3 matches, they are a much better team than. So it's a different ball game. It's a day game. Basically, I can say it's a day game. On that day, who will play better, he will win the match. But I think Saurabh must have much more control on Pune where he is now. This is the time his leadership is required now.